So the idea is to use a hypervisor. We have two types of hypervisors. We have type 1 hypervisor and then type 2 hypervisor. Now, we would see what they are very soon, but there are various vendors that creates the hypervisor software. So we have VMware, and there is the Oracle VirtualBox software as well. There's also Citrix. I'm sure some of you might have come across Citrix. So Zen 1 is for Citrix. But with VMware, there is the VMware player. There is the VMware workstation. There is the VMware sphere. So when it comes to VMware player and VMware workstation, these are type 2 hypervisors. We'll see what type 2 hypervisors do very soon. Now this is a type 1 hypervisor. This is also a type 2 hypervisor. This can be, I think it's a type 1 hypervisor as well. So basically, we have different or various types of, I think they also have their own, they may have their own type 2 as well. I may be wrong, but yeah. But these are the various types of hypervisors that we have in the market. And there are a few others as well that you could also find anywhere.